So this is a short video. We're just going to take a quick look at Tesla. Tesla generated a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 wave at the end of April, which generated a one wave degree higher. Then it moved sideways into a W, X, and Y, and which might have ended a 2. And we had put up a target zone right here. On Tuesday, Tesla moved into our target zone, and right in the middle, it turned around. So far it looks quite promising. We might have had a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which turned into a 1 and a 2. And with the gap up today, we might be in a 3 wave. But yeah, of course, this move downwards looks quite suspicious. So perhaps we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and are now in a 2. And the 3 has to start in the next few days. So we need to wait how it will turn out. And of course, the third alternative is that this was just a corrective move higher and we still have to go lower. But so far it looks quite promising, and since we got into the trade around here, we can move our stop loss into profit right now and don't have to fear to lose anything unless there's a gap down. But under normal circumstances, we shouldn't be able to lose anything anymore. If we take a look at the broader picture, we had an A, B, C move, which generated an A, then a sideways move consisting out of a W, X, Y, X2, C as a B, and with the move at the end of April, we might be in a C upwards with the target of around $380 but of course that's only a rough target. We have to wait how the potential 3 is turning out, and only then we are going to be able to determine a more precise target. So back to the 1 hour chart. If you're not in the trade yet, you could buy above the last high. You could wait until it moves lower, if it moves lower, and buy around the 61.8 retracement, or you could buy above this point, or whatever fits your strategy. So that's it for today. Until next time, good luck.